Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Type in cd space regback and hit enter to execute the command. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c: / and hit enter. Type attrib c: /boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.